I was just reading about the minimum wage in Pakistan, which is set at 37,000 per month, and this is for all kind of workers, the workers who are laborers, who are doing domestic work, doing small jobs here and there, in the small businesses, in the bigger businesses, in the homes, everywhere. So this minimum wage is 37,000 per month. For the semi-skilled workers, it is around 38,000 per month, and for the skilled workers, it is 46,000 per month. And this is meant for the federal capital, for the provinces everywhere. Although it is written there that provinces, they set their own limits, but this 37,000 at least should be followed in letter and spirit. Why? Because as far as I know, maybe my information is not 100% correct, but in some of the areas, the workers, they are paid between 10 to 15,000 per month, or 15 to 20,000 per month, which is not a salary, which is a kind of peanut which is paid to a person who has to take care of a family of 3 or 4 or 5 people. And whereas the cost of living in Pakistan is so high, and people, they can barely survive, they will not rather survive, they will have to do something else as well. So my humble request to the government authorities in the provinces, in the federal capital, in the local governments, that they should enforce at least this minimum wage of 37,000 everywhere, and they have to monitor it. They have to ensure that every employer, small, medium or bigger, they are going to comply with this minimum wage, so that people, at least, they are paid this much of money every month, and there is no violation of it, and the workers and the laborers and the workforce, they are not being discriminated, mistreated, and not exploited. So this is the responsibility of the government authorities. And at the same time, the people who are going to have these workers in their places, for God's sake, this life is very temporary. Take care of them, pay them well, so that their families could survive, they could survive, their children could grow. Our responsibility as a human being is to take care of ourselves, and at the same time, we take care of the people around us, the children around us. You know, on the day of judgment, we will be asked about it, that what we have done with our fellow beings in this world, in this temporary world, which is a test for everybody. So please, for God's sake, take care of the people, so that Allah Almighty takes care of you. I hope this message will be taken very seriously, and nobody will be offended. God bless you all.